Hi, I'm Emma, and I work as a Customer Success Manager at ReasonLabs. ReasonLabs provides enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. You're welcome to visit our website to discover more information about our products and services. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to reset the password on your RAV Antivirus account. As you can see, RAV Antivirus is already installed and protecting your computer from malware, viruses, ransomware, and additional threats. After installing RAV Antivirus on a new device, we recommend linking the new device to your existing account. This will allow you to enjoy premium features and additional services you may have available on your account. If you forgot your ReasonLabs account password, don't worry, you can easily restore it. Let me show you how. First, go to the menu on the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. On the Sign In form, you will see the Forgot Password button. Press it, and you will be redirected to your browser. Fill in your email address, the one you used to make your purchase, and click Submit. An email with the link to reset my password should be sent to you immediately. If you don't find our email, please check your spam or trash folders. Please note, your new password will be valid for all other ReasonLabs products and services you may have. After resetting your password, return to the application and fill in the email or username and new password from the confirmation email. Your RAV Antivirus is now updated with your new password. You're all set. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.